What's going on, everybody? My name is Jake Invest, and today I'm talking about Snapchat. Yes, this is a green screen. So, Snapchat just came out with Snapchat Plus. This should be so good for Snapchat's revenue. I think it'll bring it up like 5%. Because I don't know how many people are gonna buy Snapchat. There's not that many great things that come with Snapchat Plus, but there are a few things that people that really love Snapchat will buy, because if Snapchat's your favorite app, you're probably going to get it, because you think it's fun and you like it. You hear that? That's Snapchat right there. I got Snapchat, but I ain't got Snapchat Plus. Number one is Ghost Trails, right? So you buy Snapchat Plus, you can see Ghost Trails, which means that you can see where your friends are who share their location with you in the last 24 hours. So you can see where they went for the last 24 hours, right? Kind of creepy, but yeah. And a lot of people don't realize that they share their location with people, because I got a lot of people that share their location with me that I don't even know, right? So I know exactly where these people are. And if you have the iPhone, you can get their exact address. Best friends forever. Snapchat Plus allows you to pin your friends, okay? By pinning a friend, they will become your number one best friend with best friends forever. Now, this has to be the coolest new perk that they have. You don't really have a choice of who your best friends are. It's just whoever you message the most, right? I talk to one person and one person only on Snapchat, and that's my girl. But if you have more than one friend, then you want to be able to put them on top even though you don't talk to them that much. Okay? Story rewatch indicator. Okay, so when someone watches your story, it'll tell you how many people watch your story and who did. But with Snapchat Plus, you can see how many times they rewatched your story, right? So if you watch someone's story twice, it'll tell you that they watched it twice. Custom app icons themes. Okay, so you can see here that you can change your app icon to a new one, a super cool one. So here's the original, and then you get all these choices here, which is so freaking cool, man. Snapchat Plus badge. When you subscribe to Snapchat Plus, you'll get a black star badge. The badge will be displayed next to your display name. This will let your friends know that you are a Snapchat Plus subscriber. It just shows that you're a sucker and you bought Snapchat Plus. The Friends Solar System. I think that this is a whole brand new feature that they're bringing into Snapchat. The Friends Solar System shows your closest friends on Snapchat according to the solar system. You can access the feature by tapping on the Best Friends or Friends badge with a gold border. Best friends mean that you and your friend are each other's 8 closest friends. On the other hand, friends means that you're one of your friend's 8 closest friends, but they are not one of yours. Okay? Whatever the hell that means. But yeah, that's Snapchat Plus. Does that make it worthy of a buy? I mean, it depends on how many people get Snapchat Plus or how many people want it. I mean, it's $3.99 a month. There's 300 million daily active users, and then there's 550 million monthly active users. So the daily active users are more likely to get Snapchat Plus. So let's say 100 million people get Snapchat Plus. That means that they're going to be making an extra $400 million every month. Or you can get the yearly subscription to it. Okay, so here's some Snapchat statistics. In Q1 2022, there were 332 million Snapchat active users, daily active users. With 53 million downloads, Snapchat is among the 10 most popular apps in the world. So it has 53 million downloads, but 332 million daily active users. That doesn't really add up to me. And then the number of Snapchat monthly users as of January is 557 million. That's a lot of people. That's 500 million people. That's like 1/16 of the entire population. An overwhelming majority of users, 95%, claim that Snapchat makes them feel happy. 53% of Snapchat users are female, so the majority of Snapchat is female. So if you're a dude, you're more likely to see a female on Snapchat than other men. So, you guys should probably get Snapchat Plus, because then the girls will be all over you. I got a girlfriend, so I don't care about. So here's a chart of the daily active user growth. Okay, so pretty much every single year it grows except for 2018 to 2019. It looks like they actually lost users, but I think that they're going to keep growing. Snapchat users create 210 million snaps every freaking minute. That's a lot. 210 million snaps every minute. So, this company is making money. They just aren't profitable yet, but they have a lot of revenue. Like, this company is making billions of dollars in revenue. Once they become profitable, and they will become profitable, they're going to blow up. I know it. People love Snapchat. Snapchat must spend between 400 million to 1.1 billion for cloud services. So this is what is keeping Snapchat down. They got to find a way to store all their data. Not only that, but whenever you save a Snapchat, you can save it onto their platform so that you don't have to put it onto your phone. The two biggest expenses are its payroll and cloud services. The advertising revenue generated by Snapchat is estimated about 5.87 billion by 2026. How much money do you make from Snapchat? Snapchat Spotlight is currently paying out over $1 million per day to users. However, there is no specific amount that can be earned per user. Some users have reportedly made $100,000 per week or more. So this is a profitable business. It's like YouTube. You can make money on Snapchat, which also brings people into Snapchat, which also cuts from their profitability, right? They take it out of the revenue, give it to the people, cuts their net income, and then it keeps people on the platform though, right? People want to become famous on Snapchat. You gotta figure that. And then I think by 2024, Snapchat is supposed to become profitable, right? You look at their forecast and it shows here their EPS is negative, negative, negative. And then 2022 to 2023, they should have a positive EPS, which is earnings per share, which means that they become profitable. And then they're supposed to grow according to this revenue. By 2026, they're going to be getting a 15 billion revenues, and they got 4 billion in 2021. And look at this revenue growth every single year. It just almost doubles every year. Maybe not double, but it's a lot, It goes up a lot every year. They should be making a lot of money by then. And then by the time that they're profitable, that's when the stock price is going to go up, because people invest in profitable companies. They don't invest in unprofitable companies, which is why this is a good time for me to get in, because this stock is going to grow. It's a growth stock, and they're going to make billions of dollars, and I already know it. And then whenever they ban TikTok, when they ban TikTok in the United States, a lot of people are going to flood to Snapchat, Google. They're going to flock to other things like Instagram, and then somebody's going to make a new app that's like TikTok in America. Right now, they are unprofitable. They did have one profitable quarter though, which is good. They do dilute the shareholders a little bit, which is not cool. That means that they're taking shares away from me, and that's kind of messed up, and I do not appreciate that, Snapchat. You need to quit doing that shit, okay? Quit taking my money from me so you can pay your employees. They have a $20 billion market cap. I think that this market cap can grow to about $100 billion by 2026, right? There's so much money in the world that, it's bound to go up. There's no possible way that this company does not go up. So if they have a $100 billion market cap, that's probably about $45 a share. They just need to quit diluting the shareholders. They need to become profitable, which they will. They're going to have a bunch of money. So that's pretty much Snapchat for you. But they do lose a lot of money right now. And they were at $80 a share at one point. I think they can get back to $80 a share. Yeah. Like and subscribe. Have a good night.